squeeze maybe one or possibly two more questions in. Our next one is an email from Stephen on Domino's. Could the panel give me the fundamental and technical view on Domino's pizzas? The shares have fallen about 10% recently, and does the panel think they have much more to fall? This is one where we always laughingly joke about the peach in the box, and I think we'll leave that joke alone tonight. But you know, it's all about Europe, really, isn't it?
Yeah, got a massive European franchise they're rolling out. I've spoken about this bit. I won't bore everyone with it again, but you know, incredibly well managed retail business, very technology savvy. They've done everything right. My only complaint is the market. Over $10 had them trading on 25 times future earnings, which for me was just ridiculous. Continuing to price in massive, so they will grow their earnings by 20% plus for the next couple of years, I reckon. But it was just too pricey for me. But I think, you know, if that stock came back to sort of $8 or something, we'd be getting interested.
Heading that way.
Yeah,
heading that way now.
I just think it was overpriced. The company hasn't done anything wrong, you know. The market can pay too much of businesses, and then it comes back to where it should pay. It can pay too little for businesses, and over time it'll correct. So as long as the company's doing everything right.
How do you rate the management of this? I mean, you know, Don, who's the chief CEO, you know, styles himself as the chief marketer of the company, and he's very charismatic. But you know, running a global pizza franchise from Australia is, you know,
interesting.
Is interesting from a logistical point of view.
Yeah.
So, quick thoughts on management?
Well, I just think they've delivered year in, year out, and they've under-promised and they've over-delivered. You know, we spoke about the stock 6 months ago, and I sort of said I wouldn't be buying it, and you know, the CEO sent in some pizza vouchers to the show for us to give it a second try. So. Yeah, how do you criticise that?
We need to say all the producers snaffled them.
Yeah.
Okay. Unfortunately, that's it for the evening, and we don't have time for any more callers. So thank you to all our guests and to all our viewers out there. Thanks very much for your calls and emails. Until next time, you can follow me on Twitter at Kimber Capital sometimes, or get in touch via our website, which is kimbercapital.com.au. Have a great week.